All right, so here's my laundry room. The issue is I got all these bottles and I have all these vacuum attachments. And I already put some screws in for the bottles, so I got a lot of bottles hung there, but then I got more bottles to hang. So what I'm gonna do, since I have this empty space, I'm gonna print out some multi-board to put on the wall. And then I can print vacuum attachments and more spray bottle hooks and anything else I want. All right, so here's my multi-board. I printed in white. I've already assembled most of it, but I got these quad connectors in the middle where you can connect 4 panels together, and then the sides just have the dual connectors, and the corner is the single connectors. So I got 3 more to add on here, so let me add these on. You just clip them in, push down. And then you just put the top piece of the cover over top. Here's a close up what they look like. This is the quad, that's the top. You just push it down. I should have printed more quads so I could put them on the corner so I can expand in the future, but I don't have any more quads, so I'm just going to use these duals for the side, even though in the future I might add on more. I'll just have to swap them out for quad pieces. We got multi-board. Oh, I need another dual, 2 more duals down here. Oh, I'm actually 1 short. I'm going to have to go print. Well, since I'm short, I may as well just go print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more quads. So that's what I'll do. While I'm waiting for the other quad connectors to print, I'm just gonna put it up as is, and I can replace them later. Well, I know my ceiling's not level, so I'm gonna use a level here to mount it. Get a screw ready here. This took me a lifetime to get this level, so I fast forwarded 1000%. Now I'm going to take out the screws that I put in so that way I can put drywall anchors in. I know there's some pipes behind this wall, but I thought most of them are in here, so it's kind of scary drilling in here. Don't know what I'm hitting. Goes to the drywall easily. I don't know. Here, my computer here. I am going to get some more connectors printed off. This is a mounting pack that you can just print, which has dual, singles, and quads. So really I need the quads right now, but I'm going to do another wall in my gym in white. So I'm just going to print the whole thing. We'll see. On this will take, that's 6 hours and 57 minutes. I just gotta wait till my yellow multi-board gets finished. So I switched tactics here. I put 2 of these in, but they're quite long and big, so I went and bought some easy connectors, easy anchors, and a bit smaller. So I'm gonna use these. It's not gonna be much weight on there, and apparently these can hold 30 pounds. So I'm just gonna put these in, and they're white, so they'll be less visible, even though I think they'll be behind the multi-board. All right, I'm gonna install some of these. Let's test her out. Got these, just a peg. I'm gonna try this version first because they're small and easy. I don't know. I'll put it right here. works perfectly. Now I need to go design some. Vacuum mounts that can fit in here and attach on. Look, don't see any online. I did find, so there's this one for Dyson. I have a Dyson vacuum, but I wanted ones for the Tinco vacuum. So I'll have to either find some or make some. This is the Dyson one. This is the Tinco. Looks like that. There's also these, which they come, you can print them in different lengths. So I'll see if it's better to use these versus the other ones. These ones is my demo multi-board list, pushing, or you can get ones that bolt lock in. They have a thread on the back and you can bolt lock them in. So I'll have to see if I like these better or these better for these. These ones are nice because you can just put them in any of these existing holes. Something to hang on there. Bit more, slightly more sturdy, but again, they're not heavy. These bottles aren't heavy at all, so either one can hold them. Have to see what works better. All right, I have this print. That's what it looks like. This is for the Tenco vacuum mount. It hooks to a pegboard, so we'll see if it'll work with multi-board. It's gonna cost 77 cents and take 1 hour and 26 minutes. So we'll see how she turns out. Print. All right, I got more clips, the four-piece clips. So I'm just gonna swap out the singles and the duals. This is the removal tool that you can print out. There we go, she's gonna be sturdy now. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Oh, good job. Whoa, that's loud. That's a loud one. I just gotta wait for the Tinco version of the Dyson remote to print. Yeah, exactly. We'll go look at the printer, see how it's doing. That's the Tinco mount. Hope she fits. Do you think it's gonna fit, Wesley? Do you think it's gonna fit? Oh. Oh. All right, well done. Take out the supports. Alright, let's see if it works. Alright. See if it fits on here first. If it's perfect. Now I can figure out how to get this to work. I think this is not going to be fun to get out, but it is going in. She's in. I'll probably put one for this one up at the top so it can hang out like that. This will be good for like that. Alright. Now I just gotta go print a bunch more of them. Hour left in the print. Now we will mount all these. Gotta figure out best arrangement. There we go. Yeah, it's not coming out. Thought that one would be nice for that. Keep in mind, my wife will probably need a ladder to get these down. That's alright. I could just go in there. This. Printing out some hooks now. 31 cents, 40 minutes. Found the other one. It's a brush roller. Next, I gotta find something to hold this on the wall. This is the extra roller head for the mop. And there is a spot for it here, but my son, my toddler, just keeps coming and taking it throughout the house, which is fine, but it'd be nice to have a spot off the ground for it. Same with this filter. I'll find a little bin or something I can mount that up with too. Quick print. Only 30 minutes left. Clips are done. These new pegboard clips I printed are a fair bit bigger, so they should hold the balls a bit better. Put some stuff that I don't use very often at the top. So I found these spray can holders to, I'm going to use it to hold my brush roller for my mop. Should work pretty good, I think. Alright, perfect. Shaping up. Alright, so multi-board's done for now. I probably will add on in the future, but I've been using it for like a month now and it's working out great. These vacuum holders are clutch. Nice to keep them all organized off the ground. Nice to have more spots for spray bottles. Put some scissors on here, a little Swiffer duster. I just printed this little shelf to hold the mop filter. This is working good for the mop head. Yeah, good addition. Probably will add on in the future, put more bottles up there, maybe some shelves for little things, but multi-board is sweet. Definitely more to come on that front.